50. That's the number of coffee recipes built into this one machine. Hot ones, cold ones, classic espresso, authentic cold brew in just 5 minutes. Today we're reviewing the Philips Café Aromis 8000 series, Philips' most feature-packed super automatic to date. The Café Aromis sits in the 8000 series, Philips' new premium bean-to-cup tier. Out of the box, the machine has a sleek, contemporary aesthetic that immediately catches the eye. There's a full-color touchscreen at the center of the interface, and the overall design is clean and modern. It looks like something at a home of a premium kitchen without being ostentatious. One of the genuinely standout first impressions is Quick Start. This machine is ready to brew in just 3 seconds from standby mode. 3 seconds, that's faster than it takes to grab your mug. It's also certified by QuietMark for quiet operation, so silent brew isn't just branding. My anecdotal experience and early reviewers confirm that this machine is noticeably quieter than vast majority of super automatic machines in this class, which is a real differentiator if you have a light sleeper in your house or an open plan kitchen. BrewExtract Plus technology. Let's talk about what actually happens inside the cup. The Café Aromis uses BrewExtract Plus, which Philips describes as dosing more coffee and extracting deeper flavor from fresh beans. In practical terms, this means the machine pushes a richer extraction than standard brewing cycles. It gives you 7 intensity levels to dial in exactly how strong you want your coffee, whether you want a delicate, nuanced cup or something that could stand a spoon up on it. You have real control here. In technical terms, there are more grams of coffee put in the brew group during every brew, so you're gonna reach for that second button a lot less than the previous series like the 33, 44, and 5500 LatteGos. The machine's grinder works with fresh beans on demand, your classic bean to cup. And the full color touchscreen guides you through everything. Guided controls means you are not left guessing. For people new to brewing coffee at home, the Barista Assistant feature is a genuine standout. It's a conversational interface with great user experience, both on the machine and in the app. That helps you adjust your brew, suggests recipes based on preferences, and actually learns over time. It's the closest thing to having a knowledgeable barista coach built in the machine itself. LatteGo Pro Milk System. Milk systems are often where super automatics live or die in real daily use. Not because of the coffee, but because of the cleaning. And the Café Aromis comes with 2 LatteGo Pro units, one dedicated for hot and the other for cold. Each blends milk and air at a high speed to produce steamed, frothed, or foamed milk for both hot and cold drinks. And they work with dairy and plant-based alternatives, which matters a lot for households today. The critical, practical point here, LatteGo Pro is designed for quick cleanup. Philips has engineered the milk system to be rinsed fast. And this is one area where the Café Aromis could genuinely beat competitors on the day-to-day livability. If you have ever owned a machine where cleaning the milk circuit feels like a 20-minute punishment every morning, you'll understand why this matters. A lot of early reviewers have provided feedback specifically calling out the ease of the milk cleanup as one of the machine's most appreciated features in real day-to-day use. Now, the headline number, 50 plus preset recipes. This machine covers the full cafe menu: espresso, ristretto, lungo, americano, cappuccino, latte macchiato, flat white, iced coffee, and at the more unusual end, authentic cold brew ready in just 5 minutes. The cold brew capability is powered by a dedicated high-pressure cold water system. This is not just a chilled espresso over ice, it's a genuine cold brew extraction cycle at speed. For context, traditional cold brew takes 10 to 24 hours. 5 minutes is a significant technical achievement. The machine also saves up to an impressive 8 user profiles, each with personalized strength, cup size, and milk settings. So every person in the household gets their own perfect cup from memory. And the Home ID app connects with built-in Wi-Fi, letting you adjust the brew settings, chat with the Barista Assistant, and even start a brew remotely. For a smart home-enabled household, this feels native rather than gimmicky. Pros. Under the Pros, there are 50 preset recipes, the widest drink range in its class. Authentic 5-minute cold brew via dedicated cold water system, BrewExtract Plus with 7 intensity levels for genuine flavor control. LatteGo Pro dual hot and cold milk system is quick to clean. Quick start, ready in 3 seconds. Silent QuietMark certified Barista Assistant with learning capabilities. 8 user profiles, Wi-Fi via the Home ID app, and it even works with plant-based milks. On the side of the cons, premium price point. The grinder noise is still present despite the Silent Brew certification. Feature depth means a learning curve for new users, and app setup and Wi-Fi pairing can take a bit of time while initializing the machine. And with all super automatic machines, it's really important to know that with automatic frothers, you are not going to get as hot of a beverage because the automatic steamer only comes into momentary contact with the milk. So you can have warmer beverages, not quite as hot as something with a manual frothing wand like you would get from a traditional espresso machine. Who is the Café Aromis 8000 series built for? It's built for the coffee enthusiast who wants variety above everything else. If you love experimenting with different drinks, want cold brew on demand, appreciate a smart home connected experience, and have multiple people in the household with different coffee preferences, this machine was designed with you specifically in mind. It's great for those summer months, including cold foam and a whole new beverage lineup unique to Philips 8000 series machines. If your goal is purely a single excellent espresso each morning and nothing else, it may be more machine than you need. Maybe go look at something like a semi-automatic with a grinder on the side. And you'll likely be paying for features you'll never use. But for those who want cafe menus at home, have a large household with lots of people, want convenient milk texturing, and a machine that actually learns your perspective over time, the Café Aromis is one of the most compelling options on the market right now. Drop a comment below. Would you use all 50 recipes, or are you a one drink type of person? We're genuinely curious. Thanks for joining us today. We are Home Coffee Solutions, your one-stop shop for all your espresso needs. We'd be very appreciative if you could subscribe to our channel because it helps support making videos like this. We'll see you next time.